You have arrived on yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair, for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is delighted to welcome you to London Gatwick. 5 minutes ahead of schedule. Please remain seated until the aircraft is come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off for you. Be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items may be dislodged during the flight, falling out, causing injuries. For passengers who smoke, please continue to refrain from doing so until you have reached the designated smoking area just outside the terminal building. For any information on your routes, lowest fare, hotel accommodation, and air rental car, please visit our website, Ryanair.com. And finally, on behalf of Ryanair, but especially your cabin crew on board today, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us and wish you a safe onward journey, or indeed a pleasant stay here in London Gatwick and the local area. From all of us on board, once again, thank you and goodbye.